Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to import an Excel file into Spreadsheet for Confluence in just a few simple steps. Start by opening the page where you want to add your spreadsheet. You'll see the editor view with a blank page ready to go, cursor blinking in the main content area. Type /file into the page to bring up the insert menu, and you'll see a drop-down appear with several attachment options including images, videos, files, and embeds from different sources. Click on Image, Video, or File from that list to open the File Upload dialog where you can choose how to add your content. In the Upload dialog that appears, click the Upload button to open your system file picker so you can browse your local files. Browse to the Excel file you want to import. For this example, I'm selecting Example Messaging Contacts file. The file shows its type and size in the picker. Click Open to confirm your selection, and the file picker closes while your Excel file starts uploading to the page. You'll see an upload progress indicator appear as the file transfers. Once your file uploads, it appears as an attachment on the page. Confluence doesn't automatically convert Excel files into editable spreadsheets, so viewers will need to download the file to work with the data. If you want an editable spreadsheet directly on the page instead, you'll need to use a third-party macro, like Spreadsheet for Confluence, and manually copy your data in. You can replace the file later by clicking on it and selecting a new version from the attachment options. The file stays with this page, so make sure you're adding it to the right location before you publish. And that's how to import an Excel file into Confluence. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.